Welcome to my channel.
Daily routine.
Every day, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I drink a glass of warm water. Sometimes I stretch, and sometimes I walk. After that, I do light exercise for 10 minutes. Exercise keeps my body healthy and my mind calm. Then, I have breakfast with my family. I usually eat fruits, eggs, and bread. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole day. After breakfast, I start my work. I work on my YouTube channel. I plan new videos and write simple English scripts. In the afternoon, I have lunch at 1 o'clock. My lunch is simple and healthy. After lunch, I take a short rest. A small rest helps me feel fresh again. Later, I practice English speaking and reading. I read stories and speak in front of the mirror. This helps me improve my confidence and pronunciation. In the evening, I go for a walk in the park. I enjoy fresh air and watch people around me. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. At night, I return home and have dinner with my family. We talk and laugh together. Spending time with family makes me feel happy and peaceful. Before going to bed, I read a book or plan my next day. I think about new ideas for my channel. At 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. This is my daily routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.